So, what is your act based on?
Basically, all you're about to hear is made with my voice, so I hope you like it.
Show us what you've got!
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
No way.
That's
so.
yeah?
Is that really him doing that?
Is that still him?
Yes. Go.
That is talent. Yes! Wonderful! That was wonderful! Oh, we like him! We like him a lot!
That is really good.
Really good, isn't it?
Really good. It's really good.
Yeah, it is.
Well, well, well.
You make me feel like on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestia.
We love it! We love it! Well done. Well done. That was brilliant, man. I loved everything about that. You're welcome. You're welcome.
That was amazing. So good.
Take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow.
Yeah, we like him.
He's great.
He's amazing. Literally, I was hypnotized by your music.
That is the power of music, that it gets you and it makes you want to dance, it makes you happy. You did a fantastic job, Alicia.
You are absolutely phenomenal. We've never had anyone like you on the show.
I agree.
The fact that you've got nice hair, no one cares about that today. I can. You are phenomenal, my friend.
It just felt cool, it felt now. We've seen nothing like it. It was fantastic.
I don't know where you've been.
I have been in France.
Seriously, doesn't matter where you're from, we should have heard of you by now because this was phenomenal. I mean, seriously, phenomenal.
Yes! Yes!
Look at them. They were like greyhounds out of a trap. We didn't even have a chance to say anything. Anyway, it's so well deserved.
Thank you so much.
It's one of the great, great, great auditions you will never, ever forget.
Amazing. Amazing.
No, merci to you.
This was amazing, absolutely amazing.
First, I didn't think that they would like it so much. And second, what a surprise you did to me today. I really didn't expect the Golden Buzzer. It's wow.
Listen, well done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
You're
guys.
very welcome.
Thank you for your
welcome.
Congratulations. That was amazing.
Part of this adventure with you guys.
Thank
That's an
you.
honor.
Thank you
so
for
much.
coming.
See you in the live semi-finals.